आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so our question is in a triangle PQR, if 3 sin P plus 4 cos Q is equal to 6 and 4 sin Q plus 3 cos P is equal to 1, then the angle R is equal to what? We have to given 4 options and we need to tell which option is correct. Now what you do is just square this and add up both. So this will be what? If you square this, so this will be 9, this will be 9 sin square P plus 16 cos square Q plus this will be 24 sin P cos Q. Sin P cos Q is equal to square of 6, that is equal to 36. Okay, and square this thing. So this will be what? 9 cos square P plus 16 sin square Q plus 24 sin Q cos P. Okay, that is equal to what? 1. Now add up both. So this will be what? If you take common 9, so this will be sin square P into sin square P. I mean take common 9, so 9 into sin square P plus cos square P, that is equal to 1. So this will be what? 9. Similarly this will be also 1. So this will be 16 plus 24 into this is what? Sin P cos Q plus this is what? Cos P sin Q is equal to what? 37. 37. Okay, so this thing is what? Actually this thing is if you apply what formula? Sin P plus Q, so that is equal to sin P cos Q plus cos P sin Q, so that is equal to this will be 24 sin P plus Q is equal to what? 12. So this thing is what? Sin P plus Q is equal to half. Now we know that sum of angles of triangle will be what? P plus Q plus R is equal to, sorry, this is capital R, is equal to pi. Then this PQ can be given as P plus Q can be given as pi minus R. Okay, pi minus R. Now if you take both sides, sine both sides, this will be sin P plus Q, and this is what? Sin pi minus R, and we know sin pi minus R is what? Sin R. Okay, so sin R is equal to half. That means R have two values, that is equal to pi by 6 and another is what? 5 pi by 6. Okay, now when R is pi by 6, then P plus Q will be what? P plus Q will be 5 pi by 6, and when R is what? 5 pi by 6, then P plus Q will be pi by 6. Now for instance, let's take case second, that if P plus Q is what? Pi by 6. Okay, then let's say if Q greater than equal to 0, then P what? P will be less than equal to pi by 6. Okay, if Q greater than equal to 0, then P less than equal to pi by 6. Now our first equation is what? 3 sin P plus 4 cos Q is equal to 6. 3 sin P plus 4 cos Q is equal to 6. Now this will be what? If you substitute cos Q, so this cos Q will be what? Cos Q will less than equal to 1. Why? Because in 0 to pi by 2, the cos Q is a decreasing function. Okay, now this sin P can be given as sin P is less than equal to half. Okay, so this whole thing, actually this 3 by 2 plus 1 is less than 6. That means there is not possibility that this becomes equal to 6. So this case, that P plus Q will pi by 6 is invalid. So what we have? P plus Q is 5 by 6 and R is equal to pi by 6. So according to this, our correct option is what? D is equal to pi by 6, that is equal to option D. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।